Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we will look at selecting data. Knowing to select data on an Excel spreadsheet in a variety of ways helps you to work efficiently. You can select data based on a row, on a column, and also the whole worksheet. And again, you have a mix of using control key or shift key. We'll look at all these in detail. Let us start at a worksheet level. On the left top corner right above the row ID 1, you see a little darker gray color triangle. When you click on that, what happens is it actually selects the whole worksheet. So why do we select that? You can copy the whole worksheet if you'd like from here. You can do Control C from here. You can also apply formatting. Say for example, you want to make the whole thing yellow, right? You don't have to do it cell by cell or column by column. You can do that and it applies to the whole worksheet. Next, let us take a look at columns. Say for example, I want to select column C. You can do Control C, Control V. You can do operations on that particular column. That is when you select one column. Say for example, you want to select 3 columns. Say C, D, and E. You can do hold the Control key, and just click on the column name. And now in this example, we selected 4 columns. And I selected each one. Instead, you can also do, say for example, you want to select columns from C to H. You can select the column H by clicking you can select the column C by clicking on the column C there, header, and then hold the shift key and then click on the column H. That will select every column from C to H. And control is primarily used to select desired columns. That means you can skip columns as well. Say for example, I want to select C, column G, column J. So you can do a selection like this. And again, you can apply Control C, Control V. It copies 3 columns and you can paste it at a different location. Say for example, let me demo that to you. Control C, because there is a merged cell, it has a problem. So let me demo that in a different way. Let me unmerge this. We'll talk about merging and all that later, by the way. So Control C, I'm using Control key, selecting column C, say column E, column G. I'm doing a Control C, copying all 3 columns. I can go to the end. Say I can select column S and paste it there. As you can see, it pasted right next to each other. Okay. Let us now take a look at rows. Pretty much the same thing applies to the rows. You can select a specific row by using the row number, and you can do a multi-select using Control, and you can select let's say for example from 5 through 10, use the shift key, select the row 5, hold the shift key, and then select 10. And it selects all 5 rows. 6 rows. So that's about the rows. And the last thing is the cell. Say for example, you want to select from John to to Zeta. All I did was selected the John cell, which is B4, holding my left mouse key and just dragging. So now all those are selected. I can do Control C, Control V, paste it here. You can also select desired cells by using a Control key. John, I'm holding on to my control key and selecting desired cells. You can also use shift in this case as well. So the first cell, which is, let's say, B4 John, holding the shift key and then selecting Larry, which is B13. So all the cells from B4 through B13 are selected. I mean, you can apply formatting, you can copy paste, you can do certain operations. Now you must be wondering, why not we just select row and a column and try to copy. Let's see what happens. Say I selected a column D and I'm holding on to my control key and selected row 10. Now let's see what happens. I'll try to do Control C. It says that the action won't work on multiple selection. Right? Now let's see if we can, do a different kind of operation. Let's say add a color. Boom. I mean, that worked, right? But copy is a little bit different. As you can see, it is like two, a column and a row intersecting, and you're trying to copy that. Then how are you going to paste, and where are you going to paste? And not that there wouldn't be no valid use case for it. It's just that Microsoft does not, implement it, right? Well, that's it about selecting data. I'll see you in the next video.